Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to enable phone GPS on Fitbit Charge 6. So to get started with that, the first thing to do, which is the first step, is to open and launch the Fitbit app. So to do this, launch the Fitbit app on your iPhone or your Android device. Then make sure your Bluetooth and location service are turned on, which is very important. Then on the step 2, you have to now tap your profile icon. So to do this, tap your profile picture in the top left corner, then select your Fitbit Charge from the list of devices. Then on the step 3, you have to enable the phone GPS. So to do this, scroll down and tap on GPS settings or the built-in GPS depending on your app version. Then choose the phone GPS instead of built-in GPS. Then on the step 4, you have to sync your device. So to do this, tap sync now to apply the settings to your Charge 6. Then on the step 5, you have to start an exercise that uses a GPS. So on your Charge 6, swipe to exercise and select a GPS-based workout like a run or a bike. Then your device will use the GPS when tracking the activities, and that's how you can simply enable phone GPS on Fitbit Charge 6. Find the video helpful, turn the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.